intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to one more interesting video. If you are following our channel, you will come across some playlist on quadcopter building tutorials. For anyone starting these hobbies newly, need a practice on the simulators. For the same, we also made a separate tutorial where we have shown how you can use your Flysky transmitter along with Arduino board and practice flying on the simulator games. So at present, we are working on 3D printed RC plane, which is completely different from flying a quadcopter. So in today's video, we'll see how we can use our Flysky transmitter and receiver and practice RC plane flying on the computer game. So if you are using any transmitter having this trainer port along with this cable, you can directly connect with your computer USB port and can play simulator games. But if you don't have, you can use an Arduino board to achieve the same. So here, two things to be considered. Your transmitter and receiver should support PPM channel output, and you need to select an Arduino Uno board having this bigger IC and 16U2 chip along with these pins. So in this approach, we'll convert our Arduino board into a joystick by uploading joystick firmware so that the game detects, and the same Arduino receives our Flysky transmitter stick data over the receiver and emulates the joystick axis. So the steps to be followed for this method is already covered in our FPV simulator video. So here I'll simply follow the steps which I have shown in my previous video. All the required softwares are installed in my computer. So if you are trying this for the first time, make sure you check this video and follow the same. So there is an installer file as well as circuit diagram here, but I'll skip them and directly download the required code files. Extracting the zip file, make sure you have all these files. Now I'll connect my Arduino Uno board to the computer. And upload this ppm Unojoy code. Make sure you select the proper board and the COM port. After uploading, short these two pins of 16U2 chip to enter into bootloader and run turn into a joystick.bat file. So the firmware has successfully uploaded. Now you can unplug and replug your board. So now if you open control panel, devices and printers and check, the board is detected as joystick. So that's on the software part. For detailed explanation, check our previous video from the link in description. This is how you have to connect your receiver with the Arduino board. And also on the transmitter system settings, make sure to switch on the ppm output. In order to practice RC plane flying, you have a lot of options available on the internet, but I'll be going with PicaSim and Clearview Simulator. So before starting the game, make sure you assign the appropriate Unojoy joystick access to the plane controls. So that's all for this video. I hope it will help you if you are planning to start RC plane hobbies. And stay tuned for our 3D printed plane project. For any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next one.